though, after spending the whole weekend in this incredible car, getting back up to pace again?
Today actually was the best of days. Yesterday was too much for me. I got tired of it. But today was nice. I could feel the car more and how it works, and everything was working so much better. So the thought was that if I would do it again, then I know how to prepare and do better. That's the thought.
It was just a thought. He said he might do it again. Do you want to see him do it again? You said it. You said it. Okay. Talk to me about how much you're following things now, because obviously this has been a big preparation, this event for the WRC drivers. Oitanak heads now into the second half of the season, leading the championship and hoping to be a champion out there, Marco. Do you think he can do it this year?
I think so, yeah. He's doing everything good to get results, and he's leading the championship, so I think he has a little bit more luck, within everything is possible.
It's been brilliant to see you back in action. I know the fans have loved it. Everyone has loved it around the world. Well done this weekend.
Thank you.